Hey, it's been a minute. How are you? You're looking good. Are you ready to bake? Today we're going to be making zucchini bread with chocolate chips. Chocolate chips is just how I grew up eating zucchini bread, okay? Some people do raisins, some people do nuts, some people do nothing. That is up to you when we get there. As always, your girl's making a bigger batch, so I'm going to say, I will try to show, and I will put the ingredients you need for a single right here on the screen. Okay, 2 1/4 cups of white granulated sugar. This is one of my favorite recipes for the summer. This bread also freezes incredibly well, so you could make a bigger batch, smaller loaves, wrap them in plastic wrap and then foil, and then freeze them. You need 1 cup of oil, or you could do 1/2 cup of oil and 1/2 cup of applesauce. Do an unsweetened applesauce. Totally fine. I wouldn't go all applesauce. It can be a lot moisture content wise. Mix this together. Now we're going to add in 3 eggs. Okay, with your mixer running, 1 teaspoon of both baking powder and baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of good old salt. We're also going to do a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then a full tablespoon of cinnamon. I know you're thinking, she measures so carefully. If you wanted to add a little nutmeg, you could. I don't make mine with nutmeg, but lots of people do. I would do 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Remember, I'm putting 2 because I'm doubling it. You need 1. Okay, now you'll need 3 cups of all-purpose flour. And your mixture's going to get a little thick. It's going to look a little bit more like a dough than a batter. That's okay. And then it's time for the star of the show. 2 cups of freshly grated zucchini. I do dry it off a little bit as I'm grating it, but the amount of moisture it has is totally fine. You just don't want it dripping wet. So we're adding a little bit of moisture back into the mix with the zucchini. I wanted to tell you, pack that zucchini in those cups, okay? Now you'll see your batter, your mixture's loosened up a little. That's perfect. Now it's time for the mix-ins. I do a cup of chocolate chips. You can do a cup of walnuts. You can do a cup of raisins. You can do a cup of craisins. You can do a cup of whatever your heart desires. Measure very carefully. And I'm just gonna let this get incorporated. And then we are ready to scoop it into the pans. Okay, now you can do this in a large loaf pan, which is a 9x5, or y'all know I love my minis. And you want to butter and flour, so just rub the inside with butter, dump some flour in, tip it around until everything is coated, and tap off all of the excess. This is way better than any non-stick spray to keep things from sticking. You want to fill your loaf pan, no matter the size, 3/4 of the way to the top. If you have trouble like lifting a whole big bowl because it gets heavy, or you just want a cleaner, easier way to do it instead of like pouring, best friend, a ladle. Ladle it in, and then it gets one more special thing on top before we bake it. Mini loaves at 350 for 35 minutes. A large loaf, 55 to 60 minutes, okay? So I'll come back and show you the little thing I put on top that I have to have or it's not zucchini bread. For the top, I must have cinnamon sugar. It has to be sprinkled with cinnamon sugar so that it creates like this crust. I don't know why. Well, I do know why. This is how my Nana does it. This is how I grew up eating it. And it like kind of cracks when it bakes. This is where it's at. All right, so remember, Large loaf, 55 to 60 minutes at 350. Mini loaves, 35 minutes. Always test and make sure, because you want these breads to be cooked all the way through. Then let them cool, slice them up. You can wrap them up and freeze them. But then you're gonna have goodness all summer long. You're welcome. Hey, if you haven't already, like this video, subscribe to my channel. If you're here on YouTube, give me a follow, a thumbs up, all the things, hit the notification bells, and make sure to follow me on the rest of my socials, which I'm going to put here for you, and that way you never miss a recipe or a crazy antic. Okay, bye!